In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view your browser extensions on the Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and then go down and select Safari extensions. And then this will allow you to see extensions that are installed, and you can also install extensions by selecting the Browse Extensions button right here. That'll open up the App Store, and then you can locate and install extensions directly from there. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.